There's something cracked inside, I think. Because I hear something wiggling inside of him. His foot got programmed. But it'll tip over if, you know, if I'm not watching it. See? Just did. Ugh, I'd have to glue it in if I didn't want it to fall, but I would not do that. I would never do that. Oh, I gotta wake all these back up. Now I'm getting dead. There we go. I'm gonna work on this. Oh, Spider Sapien's not going. Oh well. We're gonna make those command your voice. Instead of using the remote, I'm gonna program the software on using just your voice to control your Robo Sapiens. You can control any Wowie robot using just your voice with this software. But we don't have this software yet, but we are gonna try and get one. Oh, it would have tipped over. Yeah, it walks, see? I made it do bulldozer. Ah! It walks 3 times. It's asleep! It's not working! Just kidding. It's charging. Not really working though. Oh, it's over again. Ow! It slapped my head. That's cool. It's not even walking, Spider Sapien. Watch this.
Everything is safe and sound. Your friendly neighborhood Spider Sapien is around. My Spider